Hi, today's question in the Ask Patrick series is by Paras Chabra. The question is that my accuracy in RC is bad. How do I improve on it? And what is my approach in solving the VRC section? To be very frank, even my accuracy in RC was really bad. How did it improve? I created a good reading habit. I started enjoying my reading editorials of newspaper I like to read, or reading novels which I like to read. I started enjoying my reading, and the moment I started enjoying my reading, automatically my accuracy in RC improved. That's one part. Second, what I normally do in RCs and in general verbal is I try to solve all the questions as far as the exam is concerned, for CAT at least. So even if my accuracy is not really high, I'm able to get around 99 percentile in the verbal section. Okay, so I do go wrong, but because I solve almost all the questions, I'm able to get overall high marks, and that is perfectly enough to score 99 plus percentile. Right. So basically, as far as the VRC is concerned, if you really want to improve, if your accuracy is bad, don't focus on solving too many RCs. That doesn't help. Focus on improving your reading habit. The moment you focus on improving your reading habit, you will automatically see your accuracy will improve. If you focus too much on RCs, what will happen is you will focus on getting the answers correct. To get the answers correct, you'll try to focus on details, and to get into details, the reading on the central idea will go for a toss. It's very important to focus on the central idea. It's very important to try to understand what an author is trying to communicate. Only if you understand what an author is trying to communicate will you be able to solve the answers properly or correctly. Therefore, as far as VRC is concerned, and that is my idea, even if you don't solve any RC passages, if you just focus on improving your reading habit, that will help you to improve your scores in verbal. Try this. I mean, if you can keep reading regularly, reading more than maybe solving RCs, you will see your scores in mocks will improve. And that will help you basically to improve on your overall VRC section as far as the CAT is concerned, because the whole VRC section of the CAT is based on reading. And if you focus on reading, automatically your scores will improve. I hope that helps. Thank you.